Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now I will tell my opinion as a government. The topic is this house will abolish primary and middle school years that group children based on age, instead group them by competency and intelligence. The government made this rule because there are so many children in primary and middle school who are the same age but have very different knowledge and competencies. You know, we have seen the children who has 5 years old smarter than 7 years old kid. I think we can change the education system that the smart student become one grade, and if we change instead group them by competency and intelligence, it can help teacher because the students are smart, so teacher can easily teach the students, and also grouping according to intelligence automatically means that students in the school will be active and compete with each other so that they can improve the quality of their school and its students. There are many advantages if we group students according to their truth and competence. In a school, there will be many smart and competent students. Also, after we saw that nowadays there are many students whose age is small but their intelligence same to the students older than them. Like in my village, there are many students who are still in junior high school, but they are smarter than the high school students. So the government abolished primary and middle school years that the children based on age. Like in one grade will be so many competent students. So if this rule is applied, will be so many impact. The main idea behind this proposal is to address the limitation of the traditional education system, which often fails to cater to the diverse needs and abilities of individual students. By grouping students based on their competences and intelligence is potential to reduce achievement gaps among students. By focusing on the individual progress rather than comparing students based on X or grade level, this approach aims to provide a more personalized learning experience for students to focusing on their individual competences and intelligence. While competency-based education offers several advantages, such as personalized learning and reducing achievement gaps, its successful implementation requires careful planning, robust assessment system, teacher training, and educated resource. In Indonesia, so many unemployed because they are not educated in a focused manner starting from childhood, so they are not competent. So, about the opinion, this house will abolish primary and middle school years that group children based on age, instead group them by competency and intelligence. I am so agree with this opinion. Thanks.